So the real star of the show on this plate up is this mushroom butter. This came out of accident, actually. For a pop-up I was doing with a friend, they told me to make a mushroom puree. I let it go a little bit too long and I pureed it anyways, and it came out amazing. What we effectively lean on with this mushroom butter is replacing some of the water that's normally in butter with some of the liquid from vegetables like caramelized onions and caramelized mushrooms. We start things off with some neutral oil, caramelize our onions just a little bit, add our butter, and then we add our mushrooms. Cook those until they're deep and golden. We're decreasing the water content by allowing it to cook and evaporate, and then we're increasing the fat content by adding different types. All the while our fat is infusing with the flavors from our vegetables and also developing a caramelized flavor of its own. And then just before everything's cooked, we add some cream at the end, allow it to deglaze just slightly and mix with all those flavor compounds in the pan, and then we reduce that all the way until it breaks. We add that entire mixture to a blender, puree it until smooth, pass it through a fine strainer, and what we're left with is this incredibly intense, really silky smooth mushroom butter. I've got a couple chanterelles that I just sauteed with a little bit of Japanese leek and black pepper for some texture as well as a little bit of acidity. I'm just gonna season these frisee leaves with some salt and then a vinaigrette that we made with just some olive oil and white vinegar. This is all vegetarian, not lacking any of the richness, that's for sure. It definitely needs the frisee. It's super rich otherwise.